Supreme RX is a male enhancement pill. The supplement sells in a bottle with 60 capsules. It helps men to gain sex drive, improve their stamina, boost their sex confidence, have more robust erections, and increase the penis size. The supplement makes the blood flow to the penis to make it erect and bigger. You can enjoy your healthy sex without premature ejaculation. This supplement makes it easier to last longer, and that boosts male confidence in sexual activity. We have included the Supreme RX link in the description box. How does it work? The product gives man strength to last longer in bed. Their penis size gets boosted by the blood flow. Men get longer lasting erections, which make them last longer, hence stopping premature ejaculation. It boosts testosterone and energizes men to perform better in bed. You can take 2 Supreme RX capsules daily at any time of the day. You can finish the first bottle and continue taking it when you need it. You don't need a prescription to buy the product. Ingredients of Supreme RX: L-arginine, Tongkat Ali extract, saw palmetto berry, horny goat weed extract. Benefits of Supreme RX: its usage helps to ensure the backing up of testosterone levels. The body gets better levels of the hormone that helps in sexual activities. The body better sexual powers due to better blood flow to the organ. It helps the males to last longer in bed and thus satisfy their partners. It helps in increasing the size of the male sexual organ. The increase in the sexual drive of the males helps them to boost up the inner level. It also cures the most erotic problems of erectile dysfunction and premature ejaculation. How to use Supreme RX Enhanced. Supreme RX Enhanced is anything but difficult to utilize in light of the fact that it comes in the sort of pills. You can without much of a stretch expend using a glass of plain water, however, you should realize when to eat and how often you should drink it every day. Take 1 pill with a glass of water before playing out an escalated exercise or sexual sex. Try not to overdose your Supreme RX Enhanced pills. You may begin to great outcomes. Aside from simply expending tablets, you need to put some difficult work also. You have to change your way of life and diet on the off chance that you've been coordinating a sluggish way of life. Conclusion: Supreme RX is a dietary supplement that comes in capsules, consumed as long as you need it. It makes men enjoy their sex life as it boosts their erections, enlarges their penis, increases sex confidence, and improves testosterone and stamina. Older men testify the effectiveness of the supplement. They say it makes them have more durable erections, and they can last longer in bed. Supreme RX is made from natural ingredients, making it easy to be absorbed by the human body by natural process. For ordering the Supreme RX, check the link in the description box. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, share and subscribe to this channel.